Optimal distance measurement in automation. Diasoric offers the perfect sensors for contactless distance measuring for these applications in automation. Optimize the precision of your production with our focused portfolio of optical distance sensors for the most diverse areas of application. With ultrasonic sensors, from the smallest in the world, US M8 for example, applications in robotics, to the US M30 for use on mobile work machines. Diasoric products with IO-Link ensure more flexible, more transparent and more efficient production processes. Through optimized configuration, through loss-free transmission of your measured values, through diagnostic values from the ongoing production process, through time saved in maintenance processes. Save on costs through the optimization of your production. A US M8 ultrasonic sensor checks whether there's an object in the gripper. Due to its small construction, it is particularly suited for this purpose and detects transparent and reflective objects very reliably. Save on costs through the minimization of scrap. After sealing, a LAT52 high-resolution laser distance sensor checks the sealing film in the sub-millimeter range at a high measuring rate for size accuracy in order to detect faulty sealing. Order samples free of charge and schedule a meeting for a personal presentation or an online consultation at die-soric.com.